Have you ever wondered about the meaning and significance of parsley? This humble herb has a rich history and cultural importance. Parsley is believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region, where it was used in ancient Greek and Roman cuisines. In fact, parsley was even used to adorn the victors' wreaths in the ancient Greek Olympics. Beyond its culinary uses, parsley has also been associated with various symbolic meanings. In some cultures, parsley represents vitality, longevity, and even rebirth. Interestingly, parsley was once thought to have medicinal properties, with some believing it could ward off evil spirits. Today, we know parsley is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making it a nutritional powerhouse. So, the next time you reach for a sprig of parsley, remember its rich history and the many layers of meaning it holds. It's more than just a garnish, it's a culinary and cultural treasure.